Welcome back to my channel Luxury Drive Car, the 2025 Austin Mini, exploring its rich heritage, innovative design, and the cutting-edge technology that makes this iconic vehicle a modern marvel. Let's begin our journey by revisiting the origins of the Austin Mini. Launched in 1959, the Mini was the brainchild of Sir Alec Agassiz, developed in response to the fuel shortages during the Suez Crisis. Its compact design and efficient use of space revolutionized the automotive industry, making it a symbol of British ingenuity. Over the decades, the Mini evolved through various iterations, each retaining its distinctive charm while embracing contemporary advancements. From the original Austin 7 to the beloved Mini Cooper, this car has consistently captured the hearts of drivers worldwide. Fast forward to 2025, and the Austin Mini continues to embody its legacy of innovation and style. The latest model seamlessly blends classic design elements with modern aesthetics, honoring its heritage while looking toward the future. Under the hood, the 2025 Austin Mini offers impressive performance. The Cooper S two-door variant boasts a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering 201 horsepower and 221 pounds-feet of torque, achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.3 seconds. This ensures a spirited driving experience, true to the Mini's reputation for agility and fun. Stepping inside, you're greeted by a harmonious blend of retro charm and cutting-edge technology. A standout feature is the 9.4-inch circular OLED display, serving as the hub for the Mini Operating System 9. This system is optimized for touch control, providing intuitive access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Adding to the futuristic feel is Spike, Mini's intelligent personal assistant. Spike is designed to perform a range of functions upon command, enhancing the driving experience by offering assistance and information tailored to your needs. The 2025 Austin Mini also introduces 8 unique experience modes. These modes use light projections to create immersive environments within the cabin, allowing drivers to customize their ambience to match their mood or the journey ahead. In terms of sustainability, the new Mini embraces eco-friendly initiatives. The interior features leather-free sport seats, aligning with a growing trend towards sustainable materials in automotive design. This commitment to sustainability extends to the vehicle's overall construction and performance, reflecting a holistic approach to environmentally conscious driving. Safety and convenience are paramount in the 2025 model. Features like remote engine start and the Mini head-up display provide added comfort and control, ensuring that drivers have essential information at a glance without distraction. The exterior design pays homage to the Mini's iconic silhouette, with modern touches that enhance aerodynamics and aesthetics. The compact, retro-inspired exterior makes it perfect for city driving, combining style with practicality. As we look to the future, the 2025 Austin Mini represents a perfect fusion of classic style and electric performance. This all-electric beauty combines modern design with incredible efficiency, setting the stage for a new era in urban mobility. In conclusion, the 2025 Austin Mini stands as a testament to the enduring appeal of thoughtful design and engineering. It captures the essence of the original while embracing modern advancements, ensuring that the Mini remains a beloved icon on roads around the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the past and present of the Austin Mini. Stay tuned for more in-depth explorations of automotive legends and innovations. The taillights feature a distinctive Union Jack LED design, a nod to the Mini's British heritage, but with a sleeker, more futuristic appearance. These lights are sharper and more dynamic, enhancing visibility and style. The rear bumper is sportier, with a sculpted look that improves aerodynamics. Depending on the trim, the rear diffuser varies, with the Cooper S model featuring a more aggressive design, while the electric variant has a cleaner, minimalist rear end. The lack of an exhaust outlet on the electric model emphasizes its eco-friendly nature, while the petrol version retains a centrally mounted twin exhaust setup, reinforcing its sporty appeal. A redesigned tailgate integrates seamlessly into the body, offering improved access to the cargo area. Despite the Mini's compact size, the rear hatch opens wide, making it easier to load and unload luggage. The badging on the back is more refined, with a simplified Mini script that complements the car's modern aesthetic. Additional features like an integrated rear spoiler improve stability at higher speeds, while optional rear parking sensors and a backup camera ensure safety and convenience. Overall, the backside of the 2025 Mini strikes the perfect balance between nostalgia and innovation, blending classic design cues with contemporary upgrades to meet the needs of today's urban drivers. The backside of the 2025 Austin Mini has been meticulously redesigned to balance its rich heritage with modern styling and enhanced functionality. Maintaining its compact and recognizable shape, the new Mini's rear end seamlessly blends retro charm with cutting-edge elements, making it instantly distinguishable on the road. Tail light design. One of the most striking features of the 2025 Mini's rear is its updated tail lights. Retaining the iconic Union Jack LED pattern, these lights have been sharpened for a sleeker and more futuristic appearance. The lighting elements are now fully LED, offering better illumination and visibility while adding a signature look to the vehicle. The taillights also feature adaptive technology, brightening dynamically when braking to improve safety. Rear bumper and diffuser. The rear bumper is more sculpted and aggressive, enhancing the car's aerodynamic efficiency. On the gasoline-powered Cooper S, the rear diffuser is sportier, with integrated twin exhaust outlets positioned centrally, reinforcing the vehicle's dynamic character. The electric version, however, adopts a cleaner, more minimalist design, eliminating exhaust pipes entirely for a smooth, futuristic look. Tailgate and cargo access. The redesigned tailgate offers better integration with the body, providing a more seamless and refined appearance. While the Mini remains a small and agile car, the rear hatch opens wide, allowing easier access to the cargo space. This improved practicality makes it more convenient for urban drivers who need flexibility for their daily commutes and weekend getaways. Branding and spoiler. The Mini branding on the rear is more refined, featuring a sleek, modernized Mini script that aligns with the car's updated styling. The optional rear spoiler is designed to improve aerodynamics and high-speed stability, subtly contributing to the Mini's performance capabilities. It also adds a sporty touch, reinforcing the Mini's go-kart-like driving dynamics. Technology and safety features. Practicality meets technology in the 2025 Mini's rear design. Parking sensors and an advanced rear-view camera system assist with maneuvering in tight spaces, making city driving more effortless. The digital enhancements ensure that despite its small size, the Mini remains highly functional in urban environments.